Hello guys, I'm Kavya. I recently went to VFS Global Bangalore to apply for a Germany study visa. Luckily, I got an appointment slot on Wednesday, July 10th at 11:45 a.m. I opted for the premium lounge, but mostly the premium lounge is not necessary. The only difference is that you get coffee, chips, and cool drinks available. Plus, in case you don't have biometric photos, you can take them immediately there. A photographer is available. Additionally, if any document is missing, you can get a printout there. However, I did not use any of these services. So, if you think these services will help you, opt for the premium. Otherwise, the normal launch is sufficient. When I submitted the documents, they gave me a form to sign which mentioned that from September this year, the Germany block account money will increase. The same information is mentioned in the checklist article on the Germany Indian Embassy site. Scroll down to the proof of financial point in the checklist and you will see the updated information. From September 1st, 2024, anyone applying for a visa must show 11,904 euros in their block account. You can open a block account through Expatrio. The deposit process is very fast, completed within one day. I took an education loan and after the bank initiated the transaction, I received the Form 6 confirmation from Expatrio within one day. If you also want to open an account with Expatrio, I have mentioned it in the description below. Please check it. If you want a detailed process about the block account and education loan, I have made another separate video. In that video, I have mentioned the processing, documents required, the time it takes, when to apply, and the interest rate in detail. Please check it out. So, anyone applying for a visa from September onwards should remember to deposit 11,904 euros in the block account. Another important information, those who booked VFS Bangalore should take their highest qualification original certificate. They will return it to you along with your passport. So take all original educational certificates with you, including 10th, intermediate, degree, and all semesters. The rest of the process is normal. Carry your passport and appointment letter handy and show them at the security gates. Just organize your documents correctly. Take two sets of copies. The process will be completed in 1 to 2 hours. This is my experience at VFS Bangalore. The VFS Bangalore staff are very helpful. If you have any doubts, ask them immediately and they will help you. If you need any information, comment in the comment section and I will reply. Thank you.